Welcome to this technical guide on the 1V11. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your 1V11 sounds like it's rattling, you're not alone. This issue typically occurs when the internal ring becomes loose or damaged, causing parts to shift and create that unsettling noise. If left unchecked, it could lead to further damage, impacting the overall performance of your device and potentially leading to more costly repairs down the line. To tackle this issue, you'll need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement ring specifically for the 1V11. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small components during the process. First, we'll begin by safely opening the device. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry apart the casing, starting at one of the edges. Take your time to avoid damaging the clips that hold it together. Once you have the casing off, locate the ring component. It's typically situated near the speaker area. You may need to remove a few screws to access it, so keep track of their placement. Carefully unscrew the faulty ring. Be mindful not to strip the screws as you apply a gentle force. If you encounter any resistance, double-check that all screws are removed before proceeding. Once the screws are out, use your tweezers to carefully lift the ring out of its place. Make sure to disconnect any cables attached to it, noting where they connect to ensure proper reconnect ion later. Now, take your replacement ring and position it in the same spot, ensuring it aligns correctly with the connectors. Connect any cables back to their respective places, and then secure the new ring using the screws you previously removed. Remember to apply a gentle but firm pressure when tightening the screws to avoid over-tightening, which could damage the device. Once everything is secured, it's time to close the casing. Align the edges and press gently until you hear the clips snap back into place, ensuring a snug fit. Finally, power on your device to verify that the rattling noise has ceased and that everything is functioning as it should. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, try to keep your device in a safe place where it won't be subjected to unnecessary impacts or vibrations. Regularly check for any signs of wear and tear, and address them promptly to maintain optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.